Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Titanium Autos. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth review of the all-new Kia Sportage, now available in Pakistan. I'm your host, Hassan, and I'll be sharing my expert thoughts on this highly anticipated SUV. So, let's dive in. First impressions matter, and the all-new Sportage certainly makes a statement. The exterior design is sleek and modern, with a bold front grille, swept-back headlights, and a sloping roofline. The overall look is both sporty and sophisticated. Notice the attention to detail, from the chrome accents to the LED light signatures. The Sportage looks premium, and it's clear Kia has put a lot of thought into its design. Now let's take a look inside. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed, with premium materials and plenty of tech features. You'll find an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a range of safety features like forward collision warning and lane departure warning. The Sportage also offers plenty of comfort and convenience features, including heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a smart key system. Now let's talk about the driving experience. The Sportage is available with a range of engine options, including a 2-liter gasoline engine and a 2-liter diesel engine. Both engines offer plenty of power and torque, making the Sportage feel responsive and engaging on the road. The Sportage also handles well, with a smooth ride and responsive steering. It's a great car for both city driving and long road trips. Safety is a top priority for Kia, and the Sportage is no exception. You'll find a range of advanced safety features including forward collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These features work together to help prevent accidents and keep you and your passengers safe on the road. So, what's the verdict? The all-new Kia Sportage is a fantastic SUV that offers a great combination of style, comfort, and performance. It's a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.